What's up, my beautiful friends? I hope all of you have an amazing day so far. And I want to say I'm sorry I haven't been vlogging so much because I've just been sitting in my home studying. But now, since we have spring break, I'm gonna take you guys with me on a special trip somewhere, and we're gonna go to Seoul, South Korea. So I'm really excited for that. I haven't seen anyone do a video like this, for example flying from Riga to Seoul, so I'd like to be the first one. And yes, I'm gonna take you guys with me on this entire trip. Stay tuned, and yeah, we're gonna enjoy it together, so let's go. I really should have put a disclaimer in the beginning of the video of how busted I look right now, but anyway, I'm gonna do my hair, get dressed, and then I'm gonna guys see you in a second. And this is how we're looking right now. I just curled my hair a bit. I'm gonna put some gel in it maybe. Then I put on a white shirt and some jeans just to be comfortable. And yes, I'm gonna show you guys what I packed. And what I mean by showing you is just showing you how empty my suitcase is, because I'm planning to buy a lot of things there. I just got my friend some Turkish chocolates. This part contains all the clothes that I'm going to wear. Like I got like 3 pairs of pants or something like that, so I have like enough for a couple of days, but I'm planning to buy a lot of things there as well, as I just said. And then in my hand luggage I just have my bag, then a trench coat underneath there, and here I'm just going to put a hoodie so I can use it as a pillow in the plane. I think for now everything's fine. I packed everything that I needed to. I just have the video for evidence that I packed everything. And yes, I'm gonna put on my jacket and we're gonna head out and drive to the airport. Just dropped off my baggage at the register, and then I'm going to go to the security check, and yes, I got the stressful part done now. So you guys, I made it past security and check-in and everything's ready now. The stressful part is over. Now I'm just on my way to the gate, and yes, I have 1 hour left, so I'll just chill, be on my phone, do some things on Instagram, and yes, see you later. And as you can see now, I'm walking over to my gate, and I actually forgot, as we're leaving Europe, obviously we have to go through passport control, duh, but it went by pretty quickly. I had no issues there, got everything checked, and after the passport control I got myself a sandwich. It was pretty delicious, made a mess, but anyway, I was just waiting at the gate, waiting for the flight to arrive so we can board it. And yes, so first of all we would fly to Istanbul, and then from Istanbul I would have to wait around 3 hours, and then I would fly to Seoul. So it was finally time to board the plane, and I was really excited about the journey to finally start. The boarding process went by really smoothly and fast. I feel like Turkish Airlines is really organized when it comes to that. I found my seat, it was an aisle seat, which I was not mad about. I'm usually a window seat type of person, but this time it was a shorter flight, so I didn't mind sitting in the aisle and I could stretch my legs. Then everyone received headphones for the infotainment system, and I just started scrolling to see what movie I can watch, and I ended up watching Fast and Furious 10. I know what people say about these movies. I know the newer movies are not that great, but yeah, I haven't seen it in the cinema, so I didn't mind watching it. Then the food arrived. I already forgot what we received, but it was really delicious. I enjoyed it. And overall, the flight from Riga to Turkey was 2 hours and 50 minutes. So we just left the plane, and I'm on my way to wait for another 3 hours for the next flight. Oh my god, you guys, the airport looks so cool. Wow, wait, look at this. Damn. Damn, look at this airport, you guys. Looks so dope. Oh my god. Like, it goes on forever there. Damn. I have to explore everything. The duty-free section is amazing. Everything looks so pretty. Just dope. Wow. You guys, look at all these stores. Oh my god. I'm in paradise. In heaven, you guys. It's heaven. Oh my god. Guys, look at all of these things. But that gotta wait until I have a proper job and can earn a lot of money so I can buy all of it. So I've been just chilling here for I don't know how long already, like maybe 2 hours, 1.5 hours, I'm not sure, but I'll find out the gate number in 2 minutes. And yeah, I'm just chilling here, enjoying the airport. I have to say, it's really stunning. I have never been outside of Europe for traveling. I mean, as a kid I traveled to, I think, Tunisia, but yeah, that's been it. And Turkey as well when I was maybe like 3 or 4 years old, but yeah, now it's the first time. I'm really excited and I'm happy you can join me in this trip. I just found out the gate number and I have to go to gate 18F. Yeah, F18. So that's where I'm heading right now. I don't want to miss the flight, so I'm gonna be near the gate. There is the gate and that's where we are heading right now. F18. Again, it was interesting to observe how well organized Turkish Airlines was when it comes to boarding, because the boarding process was again really smooth and fast, and I think even took off earlier than expected. But yeah, here you can see me walk towards the plane. I'm super excited, and I just decided to film the entire process because I haven't seen that much on YouTube, just like showing the aisles and everything, just specifically like on a vlog, you know. But yeah, here you can see me walk to my seat. I was sitting in row 33 on the right side, and luckily I had a window seat, so I can just relax, look out the window, and if I want to sleep I can just lean on the side of the window and don't have to keep my head up straight or risk leaning on my neighbor. But yeah, here's my seat, and on my seat there was pillows and headphones, so I can connect it to the infotainment system later on. And I have to say, the music that they were playing on the plane was really calming, so wait, here's a listen. Anyway, they then proceeded on showing us the safety instruction video, first in Turkish then in English, and I thought this baby clip was really cute. And it was finally time to leave our gate and we were making our way onto the takeoff strip. And another thing which I found pretty cool was that they have a camera installed on the outside, so you can basically watch how you take off, which is pretty interesting. So we just took off and the approximate flight duration should be around 10 hours. Later on, the stewardesses started to pass out menus for the food and we could choose between two things, either meatballs or pasta. You can stop the video if you like, if you want to read what else they had on the menu, but I'll talk about it once the food arrives. Then all the passengers received those small amenity kits and I decided to film a what's in my bag video just to pass time in the plane. So starting off strong, the first thing I pulled out was a pair of socks, so you can feel comfortable on the plane. Next up I pulled out two little tubes, one of them was toothpaste and the other one was lip balm. Everyone loves themselves a pair of slippers. Then you obviously cannot forget about a sleeping mask, which was pretty useful, a bamboo toothbrush and a pair of earplugs. Then the food finally arrived, and as a meat lover I went for the meatballs obviously, and those were served with garden fresh seasonal salad and hummus and Turkish style kidney beans together with buttered rice, and then for dessert white chocolate mousse. After the food I tried to close my eyes and rest for a bit, as it was 3 or 4 AM in my local time, but I wouldn't really call it a rest as I was awake basically every 5 minutes. Before landing in technically my breakfast, we were served with scrambled eggs with smoked turkey, selection of cheese, olive, cucumber and tomato, as well as homemade yogurt with honey, and it was really delicious. Later, to pass some more time on the flight, I decided to play billiard and I actually won, which was nice. And then I was just admiring the view outside. You can see the sky was really pink, looked really nice. And then we were actually getting closer to Seoul. You could already see the first islands appearing and it made me just more excited to land, and I just couldn't wait anymore. So now I will just leave you alone for a moment and we can both watch and admire how we fly over Korea and land in Incheon Airport. finally landed in Korea and I was so excited. You can already see people were standing up and trying to get their luggage as fast as possible, and I was just chilling. Upon arrival, I made my way over to the immigration and passport control, and as a German citizen, you're not required to have a visa if you want to visit for less than 90 days. So yeah, I saved that part, but I still had to fill out an entry form, so that's what I did, and I didn't film that part because, you know, no cameras allowed. But yeah, everything went by smoothly, and I also called my parents, letting them know that everything's fine, they don't have to worry about me, and that I have landed safely. Past the immigration now, I'm on my way to get my bag and I'm out of here. Finally I can meet my friends. So I managed to get my luggage and now I'm on my way out. Finally. Oh man. Alright, so I just arrived at the airport, met my friends. She's carrying my bags. And I got a SIM card so I can use my mobile data here without paying extra. I mean, I paid I think 38,500 won. So yeah, but now we are on our way to go to the train and right to the center. Oh, and what are the odds? It's the first time that I'm here and I see new jeans. What the fuck?
네, 들어가서 좀 누를게요. 조금만 누를게요. I don't know.
So we're currently walking to the trains. Look at this place. Looks so cool. Wow. We got the T-Money card and arrived at the train station and missed the train. Perfect. So now we're in the train on our way to the center to get to my hotel so I can drop everything off, and yeah, I'm trying to find the correct direction.
Take the line number 2.
Alright, so now we're in line 2, on our way to where? And
oh, we're on our way to Gangnam.
Let's go. So we made it outside on the streets. Now just walking towards the hotel. That's how it's looking like right now. Can't wait to get to my hotel room. We are still walking, but now we're going downhill so it's easier, and we're almost there, you guys. Okay, you guys, we made it to the hotel. It's right there. Let me zoom in, maybe you can see. There it is, Hotel Cappuccino. So guys, we made it to the hotel. That's the hotel. And I cannot wait to enter it. So I dropped off everything in the hotel room. I didn't film it, I'll film it afterwards after I come back from the restaurant. Now we're going to go to eat. So, yes, excited. Like I say excited every time, in every clip.
Me too.
Okay guys, so we ended up at the restaurant right now. I forgot to film, but now we're eating. And
If you're going to my hometown, you're going to
the food looks so good. I'm gonna try it right now and then report back to you. Oh wow, oh my god. This is so good. Silly me, forgot to film the rest of the evening on my camera, so here are just some clips that I posted on my highlights on my Instagram, so check these out there. And yeah, we were just in an arcade, then later on our friend invited us to go to a club because their friend is hosting a private party, and who would say no to that? So listen to these wise words.
Let's not stay until next morning.
Yeah, I don't want to stay too long.
Okay. You said we're gonna not stay like too long, okay? We're going with
The party ended up being so lit, I loved every second of it. Like, you guys, I want to experience that again. And this was like the first evening that I landed. So I landed, ate, and went to the party. Like, what? And the DJ was amazing, music was amazing, just like everything was dope. And the vibes were vibing, for real.